Scout? Where are you, Scout? Oh, where can he be? Everyone, I just want to say something before we make our breakout. All dogs big and small, and all dogs short and tall. Each and every dog of all dogs deserve freedom for all. Us dogs will fight for freedom in order to be free. Then we will be free as long as we can be. So who agrees with me? Yeah, I agree. So do I. Yep. All right. Now, how are we gonna break out? You're not getting out. What are you talking about? Because I believe you can't. Wait a minute. Are you telling me that exactly? I am the enemy dog in this cage. And I will take leadership from now on. And I will make sure none of you escape. So I can make my move. I'll be the only one going out because I'm actually the man's dog. He just keeps me in here to make sure you dogs are on your best behavior.